Let's talk about automation and integration. So both of these plays a crucial role in enhancing productivity and efficiency in today's workplace. So in the context of Monday.com, this will allow you to streamline repetitive tasks and workflows. So that would be the use of automation. And then while integration will enable you to connect your Monday.com workspace with other tools and services you use regularly. So here's an overview of these concepts. So let's start with automation in here. So as you can see, let's just simply click onto a board onto the chosen workspace, which is new workspace, and then the board is social media planner. So we have here onto the upper part, onto the right side of the screen, the automate. So this is the automation feature of Monday.com. And if you click onto it, you'd be redirected here onto this page. So this is the automation center page. So here on automation with Monday.com is where you can set up rules and triggers that automatically perform actions based on specific condition. So just for example, you can automate task assignments, due date changes, and status updates, reducing manual work and human error. So as you can see, this is the automation center. Here onto the automation center's left side, we have here the different categories that it offers. The basic, featured, notification, status change, recurring, due dates, item creation, move items, sub items, dependencies, and custom. So there is also a new feature that we have in here that you can create custom automation that supports sub items. So if we scroll down here into a little bit, we could see the basic automation that Money.com offers. So as you can see this one, when an item is created, assign creator as a person. So we could click onto use template to view this automation. And this is what it looks like onto creating this automation. So when you have a specific item, or if there is an item onto your board that is created, so this will automatically assign, or this will automatically find someone to be assigned as a creator. So let's click onto this person in here so that we could choose who would do this specific item. So you could add in a column in here. You could just simply click onto this lead. So when an item is created, then assign creator as lead. So you could delete this one, and you could also add in more information regarding this, and then just simply click on create automation for that. So let's wait for it to be created. You can see it is already added in here onto our board automation. So these board automations that we have in here are where the automations of your board is located. So as of the moment, we could see that there are 4 active automation that is onto this board, which is the new workspace board. So there is a note here onto the upper part wherein it says automation changes effective from October 30th. So automations triggered by column value changes after item creation may be affected by future update. So you could learn more about this change here onto the link in here and the full documentation. So here on the board automations, we have our search bar, the activity log. You could also add in a new automation in here. So this is the automation that we just recently made. So you could add in a description for that. So let's name it assign. You could see the details of the automation in here, and you could turn this one off and then turn this one on. So here onto the 3 dots on the right, we have here the edit automation, duplicate this, save as template, automation activity, and delete automation. Let's try to duplicate it. Just simply click onto that. And as you can see, it is already created as a duplicate. You'll just need to simply click create automation to proceed. Now, as you can see, we have 2 of this automation already. So to delete this, just simply click onto the 3 dots and delete automation and delete permanently. You can see the other automations that I have also in here. So when design status changes to ready to schedule, notify the lead, or when posting schedule changes, notify the lead. So as you can notice, there is another tab that we have here onto the upper part, which is the account usage. So this is the part wherein you would be able to see the amount of actions that is available onto your account. So as of the moment, we don't have any actions used. So if there is one, so it would be added in here, since we just have 25,000 actions per month for free trial, since that is our plan. So if you want to do more, so just simply click onto this upgrade plan here onto the upper part so that you could have more actions. So that's how you navigate to automation. Now let's head on to the other feature that we have here on Monday.com, so which is beside automation, the integration. So if you click onto that, you'd be also redirected here onto this page, just like the same on automation. Monday.com offers a wide range of integration with popular apps and services such as Slack, Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, and more. So these integrations allow you to sync data, receive notifications, and streamline communication between Monday.com and your other tools. So as you can see in here, here are the different categories that we have here onto the left side. We have Explore by app, feature, remote work, communication, customer support, marketing, e-commerce, software development, finance, CRM, and import data. So here are the different apps that you would be able to integrate with Monday.com. We have our Twilio, Typeform, MailChimp, we have Trello, a GitHub, Dropbox, we have our Outlooks, Google Drive, Gmail, Asana, Box, Zoom, and many, many more. So you could choose the specific app that you want to integrate with your planner. So let's simply try to click Gmail in here so that we would be able to create an integration within our Monday account and Gmail account. So let's click onto that. And as you can see, here are the different Monday to Gmail integrations that we have in here. So you need to connect your inbox with your board so that it would automatically transform emails into action items and updates. So you could click on learn more for that. And as you can see, we could try in a specific integration in here. So we could try this one out. When a new item is created, send an email to someone. So let's simply click to add to board. So this would automatically be added to our social media planner board. So simply click onto add to board. You'll have the option to choose an email or an account. So or use another account. So simply click onto that. So we're redirected onto this page wherein just like integration, we could update the information into this integration. So when a new item is created, send and let's click onto email in here. So you could write in the subject of your email. So let's add in a notification and you could type in here into your email that do this task. So we could have that one as our email and we could send this to someone. So we'll just have to send it to me. So when a new item is created onto your board, it will automatically send an email with the notification as a subject and do this task as the body of it to myself. So let's just simply click add to board for that. Right after that, you'd be headed onto the board integration and you'd be able to see that it is added already in here. So as of the moment, you can see that I have two active integration onto this board. So we also have a search bar in here. So you could add in a description in here. So let's add in here notification. Then right after, you could turn off this one or turn on, and then the three dot is just like the same with the automation. We have here the edit integration, duplicate this integration activity, and delete this. So as you can see, here is my other integration that I've created earlier. We have every day if Facebook posting status is published, you will send an email to myself. So you could view also the integrations activity that we have in here. So as you can see, the status, date, and time board, and the app that we've used, and the integration. So you could also use this filter here above, the status, the app, and board. So just make use of those things. And also, if you want to add more or a new integration, simply click onto this one in here, add new integration, and you'd be redirected again onto the integration center, wherein you could explore the apps again. So here onto the accounts usage. So the same with automation. 25,000 actions are available for this. So if you want more, you could just upgrade your plan. So by setting up automation and integrations in Monday.com, you can optimize your workflow, reduce manual tasks, and keep your team aligned with real-time data updates and notification. And that's how you navigate through automation and integrations on Monday.com.